Are you a European crypto enthusiast scratching your head, trying to decide where to park your euros and dive into the exciting world of digital assets? You're not alone. The crypto exchange landscape can feel like a vast ocean, and today, we're setting sail to compare two of the biggest players for European users, Kraken and Bitstamp. Which one will be your trusty vessel on this crypto voyage? Before we pit these two titans against each other, let's quickly understand why choosing the right exchange is crucial, especially here in Europe. We're navigating a unique regulatory environment, with MiCA, markets and crypto assets regulation, on the horizon, and user expectations around security, fees, and available assets are high. A good exchange should not only offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies but also comply with local regulations, provide robust security measures to protect your hard-earned investments, and offer a user-friendly platform whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your crypto journey. Plus, competitive fees can significantly impact your profitability over time. So, buckle up as we delve deep into the features, fees, security protocols, user experience, and more of Kraken and Bitstamp, specifically through the lens of a European user. By the end of this exploration, you should have a much clearer picture of which exchange best suits your individual needs and trading style. Let's start with the basics: availability and regulation in Europe. Both Kraken and Bitstamp have established a significant presence in Europe and generally cater well to European users. Kraken has been around since 2011 and has built a strong reputation globally. It's registered and regulated in several jurisdictions, including within the European Union. They've proactively worked to comply with evolving European regulations, making them a reliable option for users within the EU and beyond. Their licensing and adherence to local laws provide a layer of security and trust for European traders. Bitstamp, established in 2011 as well, holds the distinction of being one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges. It's headquartered in Luxembourg and is fully regulated within the European Union. This EU-based regulation can be a significant advantage for European users, offering a familiar legal framework and potentially smoother transactions. Winner, round 1. It's a close call. Both have strong European presences and regulatory compliance. Bitstamp's EU headquarters might give it a slight edge in terms of direct regulatory alignment within the Union. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the range of cryptocurrencies available. Kraken boasts a substantial selection of cryptocurrencies, offering access to a wide variety of major coins, altcoins, and even some newer, more niche projects. This extensive list caters to both investors looking for established assets and those interested in exploring emerging opportunities. They are also known for frequently adding new coins and tokens to their platform. Bitstamp, while a reputable exchange, generally offers a more curated selection of cryptocurrencies. They tend to focus on more established and liquid assets. While they cover the major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple, XRP, their altcoin offering might be less extensive compared to Kraken. This focused approach can be seen as a positive for users who prefer to trade in more established markets. Winner, round 2. Kraken takes this round with its significantly wider selection of cryptocurrencies, catering to a broader range of investment strategies. Next up, fees. This is where your trading activity can significantly impact your bottom line. Kraken employs a tiered fee structure based on your 30-day trading volume. For lower volume traders, the fees are generally competitive, with maker and taker fees decreasing as your trading volume increases. They also have different fee structures for instant buys and futures trading. It's important to carefully review their fee schedule based on your anticipated trading activity. Bitstamp also utilizes a tiered fee structure based on your 30-day trading volume. Their fees for lower volume traders are generally in the same ballpark as Kraken's, but the specific percentages might vary slightly. They also have different fee structures for credit/debit card purchases, which tend to be higher. Winner, round 3. It's another close one. Both offer competitive tiered fee structures. The winner here will likely depend on your individual trading volume and the specific cryptocurrencies you're trading. It's crucial to compare their current fee schedules directly based on your expected activity. Let's dive into the crucial aspect of security. In the world of crypto, protecting your assets is paramount. Kraken has a strong security track record and employs a multi-layered approach. This includes cold storage for the majority of funds, two-factor authentication, 2FA, advanced encryption, and regular security audits. They have a good reputation for taking security seriously and have not experienced any major breaches in recent history. Bitstamp also prioritizes security and implements robust measures to protect user funds. They utilize cold storage, multi-signature technology, two-factor authentication, and email encryption. They have also been operational for a long time, demonstrating a commitment to security over the years. Bitstamp has experienced security incidents in the past, but they have since significantly strengthened their security protocols. Winner, Round 4. Both exchanges have strong security measures in place. While Bitstamp has had past incidents, their current security protocols appear robust. This round ends in a draw, emphasizing the importance of user-side security practices on both platforms. Now, let's consider the user experience and platform interface. Kraken offers a more feature-rich platform that can be both a strength and a potential drawback. They have a variety of trading interfaces, including a simple buy crypto option for beginners and more advanced trading platforms with charting tools and order types for experienced traders. This versatility is great for different skill levels, but the advanced interface might feel overwhelming for newcomers. Their mobile app is also generally well regarded. Bitstamp is often praised for its clean and intuitive user interface. It's generally considered easier to navigate, especially for beginners. Their platform focuses on simplicity and ease of use, making it straightforward to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. While they offer essential trading tools, their platform might lack some of the advanced features available on Kraken. Their mobile app is also user-friendly and efficient. Winner, Round 5. This depends on your experience level. Beginners might find Bitstamp's simpler interface more appealing, while experienced traders might prefer Kraken's more advanced features and trading options. Let's talk about customer support. When issues arise, responsive and helpful support is essential. Kraken offers customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and a comprehensive help center with extensive FAQs and guides. While they aim to provide timely support, some users have reported occasional delays, particularly during periods of high trading volume. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.